Ready to uncover a world hidden in plain sight? Let's follow Elara's incredible adventure. Once upon a time, in the heart of an ancient forest, lay the village of Eldoria. Among its people was Elara, a curious girl with an adventurous spirit. One fateful day, her exploration led her to a mystical clearing and an ancient tree with a shimmering door. Heart-pounding, Elara touched the door, revealing a staircase that spiraled down into an underground chamber filled with glowing crystals. At its center, an ornate box awaited. As she opened it, a blinding light transported her to an otherworldly realm. A cloaked figure greeted her, offering a glowing amulet and a quest that promised infinite possibilities, but with great responsibility. With the amulet in hand, Elara's nights became filled with adventures in realms unknown. What ultimate choice awaits her? Join us as Elara's tale unfolds into the great unknown. The journey is just beginning.